Looking to refresh your bathroom without a full renovation? The SKL Home Inspirational Polyester Shower Curtain offers an easy and stylish upgrade that instantly brightens your space. With vibrant digital prints featuring nature vignettes and elegant calligraphy, this curtain doesn't just block water. It adds personality and inspiration every time you step inside. What sets this shower curtain apart is its thoughtful design and quality. Made from 100% polyester, it measures a generous 70 by 72 inches, fitting most standard showers perfectly. 12 reinforced eyelet holes make hanging effortless and secure, while the fabric's durable yet soft texture promises long-lasting use. Plus, it's machine washable, so maintenance is hassle-free. When I unboxed mine, I was greeted by a fresh, clean scent, a small detail that immediately made me feel good about my purchase. I've also experienced the standout customer service from Bed Bath Home, the trusted seller behind this product. They were quick to respond and helpful, making the buying process smooth and reassuring. If you're someone who values both aesthetics and quality in home decor, this shower curtain is worth a look. It's more than just a bathroom accessory. It's a subtle way to bring motivation and calm into your daily routine. Ready to elevate your bathroom's style and atmosphere? The SKL Home Inspirational Polyester Shower Curtain blends vibrant colors, meaningful design, and practical features into one affordable package. Try it when you're ready to make a simple change that makes a big impact.